Welcome to mikegolden Games and welcome to another Jeep video. So yesterday I got back from Moab and it was about 70 degrees here. It's like 50 degrees now, so that's why I got my jacket on. Anyways, what we're going to be doing is cleaning the air filter and detailing the engine because that air filter is all caked up with red dust. So let's just get right on into it. And as you can see, she's pretty dirty. She's really dirty. So the air filter I cleaned right before we left, and it might be a little hard to see on film, but it is pretty dusty. So we're gonna get all this cleaned up, like on the front of it. You can see all the dust coming off. So what we need for this is a spray bottle. I just took an old Lysol bottle, cleaned it out, put some Dawn dish soap and water in here, and a screwdriver to get the air filter off. And we got a bucket of water as well. First things first, let's get the air filter off. Just gonna unscrew this. Should be good enough. And it just slides right off. Gonna be using the K&N air filter cleaner now. So we're just gonna basically go around the whole thing and really get it wet with the fluid. All right, that should be wet enough. I need to go wash my hand off. And now let's take this thing and just throw it in here. There we go. Look at that. So now we're just gonna look at all that dust coming off. All that good Moab dust. If you've never been, it is pretty dusty up there. It's basically a desert. That is getting really dirty. And you do want to make sure you don't get too much of the water in this side, just because, well, this is the inside of the air filter, keeps your engine clean. You don't want it getting on the inside of the filter. Now we're going to just take this bucket of water and pour it
slowly
right through here.
And hold it.
So look at that bucket of water. That is really dirty looking. Here's the new filter. All cleaned up, looks good to go. Gotta let it dry now and get it sprayed down with the K&N oil spray. And then we'll just fill up this water bottle so you can get a good view of what the water looks like now.
Moab water.
Look at all that red dust from Moab. Got my Dawn dish soap and a microfiber cloth. We'll start with the air filter right here, the tube for it. Just spray it a little bit, and we'll get some on here as well. And we'll just wipe that down. Look at that, so much better already. And like the hoses, you can wipe that down as well. Look how clean that looks already. Now let's get up here. We'll just get this damp. It's pretty dirty. Look at that. So much better looking already. This is just a quick and easy way you can detail the inside of your engine bay. Just get all this crap taken off. Looking much better already. So I'm gonna go get this whole thing sprayed down and then we'll be back to see the final result. This is before we cleaned it. It's pretty dirty looking. Well, I mean, I just cleaned that little bit up, but just to get you a good idea of what it's gonna look like before and after. You can see all the dirt on the hoses and everything. We wanna get all this cleaned up. Now that looks really dirty. Not sure how long it's been caked up there. So we'll see how good of a job I can do in cleaning that up. And this is where the air filter is gonna go. You can see all the dust on there. All right, I am just about done. So I think it came out really good. Let's see over here. So we got most of the dirt off. Now the valve cover I didn't touch just because I didn't feel like getting that dirty today. That's gonna take some degreaser. But the hood looks pretty clean. If I missed a spot, you know, be sure to let me know in the comments below. But I think overall this turned out pretty good. It's looking pretty clean, I gotta say. So let's get on this side, a little dark. Yeah, it looks really good. I still need to spray the air filter down and put it back on here. Don't want to forget that. You always want to put your air filter back on or you're not gonna have a good day. But yeah, I think that's about it. The Jeep's looking really clean on the inside of the engine bay. All the hoses look fairly good. Like over here by the valve cover, you can see there's still some dirt and soot on there. Just gonna need to get some degreaser and really, you know, work on that. But I don't feel like doing that right now. I just did a pretty quick detailing of the engine. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. As did enjoy this episode, maybe consider subscribing if you haven't already. Have a great day, guys, and see you next time. Maybe I'll be going to Moab sometime in the near future again. I hope so. I really do hope so. I may be going somewhere next week. It's a local off-road place. It's the same place, the stuff with the black Jeep. Hopefully, I'll be a little more smart this time. So, all right, guys, take it easy. Got the air filter on. Let's start it up and see what it sounds like.